Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've been getting a lot of requests to draw Dr. Ock from the Spider-Man series. So today I finally drew it, and I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Dr. Octopus. If you guys want to see some more Spider-Man characters, definitely let me know, and I'd love to try to draw some for you. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with Dr. Octopus, we're going to begin right about here on our paper. Let's begin with the glasses. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to draw a little line that comes across. We'll leave a little bit of space, and then we'll make another line that comes across. Next, we'll draw a line that goes down and up, and we'll make another one that goes down and up for the lenses of the glasses. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up, and one more right here. Starting here, we'll make two lines that come down. And right here, I'll draw a line that goes down and up for the nose. Then on each side, I'm going to add a little curved line for the nostrils. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side for the sides of the face. Next, we'll just draw a line that comes down and kind of in at an angle. Next, we'll make a little line that comes across here. Right here, we'll make a line that comes across for the mouth, with a little line underneath here for the lip. I'm also going to make a little line on each side that just comes across. Right here, I'll make a line that comes up and down for the ear, and one more here, a little line that comes up and down. Next, I'll draw a line that comes up on each side for the sides of the head. And now the hair is going to be a little bit different. There's lots of different ways to do the hair. I'm just going to do something simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some kind of little pointy lines that come across. Then starting here, I'm going to make some more pointy lines, and we're just going to make these kind of all pointy. They're going to come across and then down to here. Starting here, well, let's make a little line that comes down on each side. Next, we're just going to make a line that goes up and down to a point. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Next, I just want to add a little curved line on each side here. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and then in, and another one here. We're going to go down and then in. Right here, I'll make another line that goes down, and then I'm going to bring it right to here. This one I'm going to go out and then bring it right to here, a little bit higher than this one. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down a little bit farther. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side, kind of splits open. Starting here, we're just going to draw a little line that comes out on each side. Then I'm just going to draw a line that comes in on each side to kind of show where the body is. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we'll do the same thing here. We'll make a line that's going to come down. We'll make a little line that comes across on each side. Next, I'm just going to bring this line up and in. Same thing here, we're going to bring it up and then in. And we'll make a little line that comes across on each side. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and over. Then we'll make another line that's going to come down, and it's going to hook around here. We'll draw a line that's going to go down and then up for the thumb. Over here, we'll make a line that goes down and then in. Bring a little line in with a little curved line. Make a line that goes down, it's going to go over and then up here for a little closed fist. Now, starting here, I'm just going to bring this line down farther on each side. Then I'm going to bring this line over on each side. Next, I'm going to bring this line down. We'll go right past the fingers to here. And we'll take this one down to about here and bring it over. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to come over. We'll do the same thing here. We'll go down and then over. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we'll bring this line up. Bring it up a little bit farther, and I'll make a little line across. Starting here, we'll make a line that goes down, and it's going to curve down. We'll bring it over and up. Right here, we'll do the same thing. We're going to go down with a little curve. Next, we're going to bring this over and up to here. Now, once we have his little kind of just basic design drawn out, then we want to come in here and add some of the different details. So one of the things I'm going to do is just draw a little line right across here for his feet on the bottom of his shoes. Then I'm just going to add an extra little kind of line or two coming down his jacket. I might also come in here and add a couple little curved lines onto his jacket just to show some detail. Over here, we'll draw a little line that goes over, down, and over. Do the same thing, over, down, and over. A little angle line on each side for some pockets. Now let's draw his famous arms. So let's start right here. We're just going to draw a line that's going to curve out, and it's going to come in. We'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go out and curve in. We'll draw a little line that comes up on each side. Then we're just going to curve it back here. We're going to curve it right back here. We'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to just go out and come down. Do the same thing here. We're going to go out and down. Just kind of connect it here and connect it here. Draw a little line that just kind of curves around, and another little line that just kind of curves around. And then just bring it in. Bring a little line in here. We'll just draw a little line across on each side. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line. I'm going to make a line that just kind of comes across. It's going to come down and over. Do the same thing. We'll make a little line. We'll go a little bit longer on the top, go in, and then over. We'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to draw a long line. We're going to go over, in, and then connect. Same thing here. We'll draw a long line. We'll go over, we'll go in, and connect. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up. Then right here, I'm going to make one that goes up. We're going to go over, and then we're going to come down. Then right here, we're going to go up, we're going to go over, and then bring it to here. Do the same thing here. We're going to go down, over, and up. We're going to bring this up, over, and down. And then one here, up, over, and down. And we're just going to repeat the same thing. We're going to make these same shapes on each one of the little arms that he has, or I should say the big arms that he has coming out of his body. So we're just going to draw these all the way across. You can see I start at the corner, go down, and then bring it in. Now at the ends of each one of these, I'm going to put kind of like a small little rectangle shape, just to make it look like it has like something that can kind of grip onto different things. So we're just going to put these little rectangle shapes on here. So we're just going to add one to the ends of each one of these. We're just going to kind of add these on. Now inside of here, I'm going to add a circle inside each one. So we'll just put a small circle inside each one of the arms. Then I'm just going to add a little line underneath each one just for a little bit more detail. So we'll just add a little line underneath each one of those little rectangles that we just made, and a little line that comes down to connect it. So let's draw a little line that comes up, and we'll just make this little line all the way through here. Now, once we're done with that, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to come right across the top of each of these arms. So we'll come right across the top, really close. We'll make it right across the bottom on these. So we'll just bring these right across, and then we want to draw them in here too. Next, I'm just going to draw some little lines that just come right across here. We're going to do this to each one of our little arms. So we're just going to draw those lines across here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Dr. Octopus from Spider-Man. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.